If you've ever wanted to make money online but hate the idea of hosting webinars, going live, or dealing with tech, this is for you. See, webinars are one of the most effective ways to generate sales online. They convert higher than almost any other method. But let's be honest, setting up the tech, creating slides, and presenting on camera can feel overwhelming. That's why John Turnhill created the Webinar Profit Engine, a system that lets you earn from automated webinars without ever hosting one yourself. Everything is already done for you: the webinar funnels, the follow up emails, the affiliate offers, and even the ad copy. You don't need to create a product, build a list, or be on camera. Just send traffic using John's beginner friendly training, and the system does all the selling for you 24/7. It's the perfect setup if you want to make consistent income online without the stress of being the face of the business. Click the link below to learn how to start earning automatically with Webinar Profit Engine and let the system do the work while you focus on living your life.